Right, here for round 2 of fixing the heater. I do have, there we go, a new one. I'm hoping, well, new second-hand, that I can just use this module and then I haven't got to disconnect all of the bloody wire cabling and everything, because there's cables that run to these. So we'll see, but let's get this off. Okay, it's a bit of a git, but managed to tilt this up and then push this in backwards enough to get it out of its slot, which is there. Now, if I get the connector off the back, I should be able to do it in reverse, get it back in there, but it's not easy, it's very tight. Right, it's done. And it works. Not easy, particularly not easy to get the screws in to the top that hold that module in when you can't see how to line them up. So it's just a lot of feeling around, and eventually one of them catches and then you're okay. So anyway, that's that done. I'm going to take the clock out again, fit all new bulbs, put these little trim panels back on with the new bulbs in, and happy days. So there we go, all good. And I've even got the old one to know which way around they go, which is a bonus. It's just a fiddly little job, but well worth doing. There we go. Okay, round 2. So I don't mind showing you when things don't go right. Top bulb holder pushed in, no problem. Bottom one, I pushed the bulb in and it pushed the holder straight out the back. So I've had to undo it all again and have another go. So here we go again. Right, finally there's a clock I can see, and that dims down then when the lights go on, and that lights up, but you're not going to see it in the daytime. There we go. Oh, and the fan speed now is doing its thing. So there we go. Happy day.